Welcome to the Kensington floor plan at Abberly Commons Apartment Homes by HHHunt, nestled in Charlotte, North Carolina. This inviting two-bedroom home offers 1,100 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. The kitchen, with its sleek granite countertops and modern white cabinets, serves as the centerpiece of this home, perfect for both meal prep and entertaining. Just steps away, the living room and adjacent dining nook provide a spacious and versatile area for relaxing or hosting guests. Enjoy the tranquility of your private covered porch, an ideal spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The Kensington floor plan offers two comfortable bedrooms, each with access to a full bathroom and a large walk-in closet. The second full bath also opens to the hallway, perfect for entertaining. You'll appreciate the convenience of a laundry room equipped with a full-sized washer and dryer, making daily chores simple and convenient. And with ADT Smart Home technology, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing you can lock your home and adjust the temperature from an app on your phone. Experience the perfect combination of comfort and modern living at Abberly Commons, the Kensington floor plan, where style meets function. AbberlyCommons.com